Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Airbnb for affordable study abroad housing, complete guide step by step clearly. Creating your Airbnb account is the first step. Download the Airbnb app or visit their website. Click on the sign up button to create your account. Use your email, Facebook, or Google account for registration. Once your account is set up, take a moment to complete your profile. Upload a clear profile picture to build trust with hosts. Add a short bio to introduce yourself to potential hosts. Next, start searching for accommodations. Enter your study destination and travel dates in the search bar. Use filters to narrow your options. Choose your budget range to find affordable listings. Look for places that offer amenities essential for studying, like Wi-Fi and a workspace. Read the descriptions carefully for details about the accommodation. Pay attention to house rules that might affect your stay. Check the cancellation policy to understand your options if plans change. Browse through the reviews left by previous guests. Focus on comments about the location, cleanliness, and host responsiveness. Once you find a suitable listing, click on it for more details. Review the host's profile to gauge their reliability. If everything checks out, click on the Reserve button. Fill in the required information for your booking. Communicate with the host through the messaging feature if you have questions. Clarify any doubts about check-in procedures or other important details. Make sure to confirm your payment method is secure. After booking, double-check your reservation details. Prepare any necessary documentation for your stay. Keep in touch with your host as your travel date approaches. Lastly, enjoy your study abroad experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.